Well, actually, Sally and I are best friends. We grew up together in the community that we opened our clinic in. So, yeah, we kind of just got together and wanted to have a place that people, we know especially can come and gain confidence and get treated and it be approachable still for them. So,
Yeah, we truly believe that beauty goes beyond the talk. So, like, that's our Instagram handle. We love it so much. We like to keep it natural, and like, it warms us so much whenever our clients come back in. They're like, I've never felt better in my own skin, and they're sending us selfies. Like, they're crying, we're crying, everyone's happy. So in our community, like, we're very, very small town, very almost country feeling. So when we heard Melissa Gibbons speak about Scarlet and all the things that she did in her practice and how she was really aging her clients backwards.
we actually brought NOUVADerm in before Scarlet for skin resurfacing. It's been so great for texture for our patients and pigment, especially. Once the patients get one, they're really like, when can I get another? And so we actually now are combining our NOUVADerm with our Scarlet treatments. It's been great.
Yeah, we love the NOUVADerm so much because of all the different modalities it has in it. So we live in South Louisiana. The sun is no joke. All of our clients love the sun. They live in the sun with no sunscreen. So we correct a lot of pigment and a lot of aging from sun damage with the NOUVADerm. And all of our clients have been obsessed.
And I would say too, just from a financial perspective, that was the first bigger price point device that we brought on. It really has helped propel our sales and revenue for sure.
So it's really great to be able to treat and stack Scarlet and NOUVADerm in the same appointment. So we're giving them skin tightening, rejuvenation, collagen, elastin building, and then also going in with the NOUVADerm and resurfacing for the best possible outcome for them. And a lady sent me her selfie at 11 p.m. the other night, and she said, I've never felt happier in my own skin. And I think I cried for her. I was so happy for her because she was so happy, and she has never done anything to her face before. She jumped all in. She trusted us. Our community trusts us.
Scarlet and NOUVADerm together, our patients can get both treatments in one session, and they're only taking up our chair for one appointment. And so, we just charge a little add-on. So it benefits us, and then it also benefits them. So it's a win-win.
We include the XOE and repair and also the detox in all of our packages because it would be a huge service to our patients to say, hey, come in, spend your money on these packages and these treatments and not send them home with the proper pre and post care for best results. You need for them to do a little bit of the work at home as well.
Yeah, they get more hydration, better healing. At first, we didn't know if XOE was really that beneficial. Do we really need to use this pre and post treatment? And we didn't use it, and we could really see the difference. And so we added it back in. We're happier, the patients are happier.